estate.
I'm so excited. We're gonna be living today
Living today?
in a warehouse. And I'm so excited. Hey, Davey. Can you come over here? I know, but I needed you for scale. Bye. I love you.
Double smash burger from Burger Lords. This is the best, the definitive vegan burger in Los Angeles. It's so fucking bomb. Can't go wrong. Bye, Amy.
Honestly, I feel like I'm really self-actualizing in here. We just laid out the rug. It's really just such a pretty time of day. We're like at the point in winter also where like the sun's staying a little bit longer. We're getting these really pretty shadows. I just feel like I'm gonna cry because I love it here so much. And all day I was a little moving elf in the U-Haul, and now we're here and we did it.
Very exciting. And this is his broken side.
Okay, we're at the studio and we've spent pretty much the whole week unpacking at home. Now we're getting prepped for the bookshop. So we have an opening tonight and then the whole weekend is book shopping. We transformed this space a little bit to be a reading room with our friend Jack's couch that we borrowed, and I think this is like really coming out to a little vibe. I'm like really into the like velvet situation on this couch.
Very comfortable. It's my
It's
new home.
great. I mean, like honestly, the vibes in here changed so much with just like a couple little like changes and one big pretty couch.
First morning.
I love it here so much.
Oh, yeah. Look at that.
I think we're gonna be here for a little while. What do you think, boyfriend?
I think that I want everything.
I know. But also like what's so nice is like we also don't need anything.
Right.
But also
being very selective.
we're gonna be selective. Okay, Mayor. I really love this look today. So good. Okay, Davey, are you ready to get into it? Are we gonna learn about water today? Plumbing? I feel like plumbing is something you've tackled a bit. Like you figured out how to fix
Disposal.
what did I put in there?
Glass.
There was like glass in there or something. Okay.
So this comes connected. We're gonna then connect to this orange tube. Cut. What do you think? Like that?
Yeah, that.
Okay, it's been raining for 2 days and we're gonna go check out the river because it's totally nuts. I've never seen the LA River like this before.